New York, CNN Business. Why worry about earnings growth and valuations when you can just plow your money into whatever stocks mega billionaire Elon Musk happens to tweet about? The Tesla, TSLA, and SpaceX CEO has boosted stocks and cryptocurrencies thanks to musings on his Twitter feed, which currently has more than 47 million followers. That's raising concerns about whether or not unsophisticated investors risk losing their own money by blindly following Musk. Shares of GameStop, GME, popped on January 27, one day after a Musk tweet that reads simply GameStop and included an embedded link into Reddit's Wall Street Bets. Polish video game developer CD Projekt Red spiked after Musk wrote a series of tweets on January 27th and 28th about the company's bug-ridden Cyberpunk 2077. Canadian e-commerce firm Shopify, SHOP, rose after Musk called it great and said SpaceX he didn't say for what, and Etsy, ETSY, moved higher after Musk wrote about buying something for his dog on the site. Speaking of canines, the price of cryptocurrency Dogecoin spiked following positive Musk's tweets. The logo for Dogecoin, which was launched as a meme-inspired parody of cryptocurrencies, is a Shiba Inu, a Japanese. And as if that's not enough, Bitcoin, XBT, also got a boost last month after Musk added hashtag Bitcoin to his Twitter bio. The hashtag has since vanished, but Bitcoin is still surging, in part due to Tesla's decision to hold $1.5 billion of it on its corporate balance sheet. Read more. The cryptocurrency price moves, while extreme, might make more sense than the gains for stocks such as Etsy, Shopify and GameStop that Musk casually mentioned, or perhaps joked about. After all, Musk in the past has expressed real support for Bitcoin and other digital currencies. It's a positive thing to have Musk and Tesla involved with cryptocurrencies and having this being a topic that is so widely discussed, said Matt Plotton, global head of sales trading for Diginex, which runs the Ecros cryptocurrency. There is now a lot more interest in other coins. Investors should be mindful that they risk getting burned if they assume that every cryptic Musk missive is a buy rec. Last month, investors mistook a Musk tweet to use Signal, as in the privately held encrypted messaging service, as a reason to buy up shares of Signal Advance, SIGL, a tiny tech company that makes medical detection devices. Its stock promptly sank after the confusion cleared up. Shares of a Canadian gold miner named Sandstorm, SAMD, also briefly popped more than 50% in pre-market trading on February 4th after Musk tweeted that Sandstorm is a map. Musk didn't elaborate, leading many on Twitter to speculate he may have been referring to the 1999 techno song Sandstorm by a DJ named Darude, and not the gold. Even Darude tweeted about it. The stock then pulled back. So maybe, just maybe, investors shouldn't use Musk's Twitter ramblings as investment advice? This is reminiscent of the late 1990s, with a lot of retail interest in the market. People have to be disciplined about what they own and why they own it, said Matt Stuckey, an equities portfolio manager at Northwestern Mutual Wealth Management. When stock prices detach from fundamental trends, it's a cautious signal. Our investments aren't the ones in the news because of Reddit and other headlines. Musk might have to be more careful about his choice of tweet topics as well. After all, he had a run-in with the Securities and Exchange Commission in 2018 after tweeting about plans to take Tesla private, which ultimately didn't pan out at the time. As part of a settlement with the SEC, Musk stepped down as Tesla chairman and the company's board agreed to oversee his future communications with Tesla. Skeptics might argue that Musk may be looking to pump up the prices of the investments he tweets about. But it's not clear if Musk is in violation of his SEC agreement by continuing to tweet, even if just in passing, about other stocks and crypto. The SEC declined to comment to CNN Business when asked about Musk's numerous stock and crypto-related tweets. But spitballing about something on Twitter isn't necessarily going to get Musk, or anyone else, for that matter, into legal trouble, said Ashley Ebersole, a partner with law firm Brian K. Fladen Paisner and a former SEC regulatory and enforcement attorney. You have a very vocal executive who enjoys putting out content on Twitter. If there was evidence of nefarious intent to pump up the price of something, the SEC would look at that. But absent that, people are going to tweet and there is no agency responsible for policing Twitter. If Musk was being paid to promote or tout an investment and did not publicly disclose that, it would be a different matter, Ebersole said, but that does not appear to be the case with his recent tweet. Of course, whether or not Musk should tweet as much as he does is an open question. Same goes for whether people should make investment decisions based on those tweets.